Started recording.
Welcome back to Learn Fluent English through direct method. The students are going to discuss about COVID-19 today. COVID-19 has changed the whole world. Let us listen what the students are speaking about this deadly disease. First, I'm going to invite the student who is going to speak about this topic is Aradhya. Aradhya, please speak about this topic, COVID-19.
Yes, sir. So today's topic is coronavirus. Coronavirus is made from China and Wuhan. Coronavirus is an invisible virus. Bharat made 2 vaccines of coronavirus. So many so many people died in coronavirus. Coronavirus is a family of virus causing some deadly disease in human and animal. And we are now batting in the 3rd wave of corona that is going on news on TV. The coronavirus is spread not only in India but all over the world. Many countries are helping India like America, Japan, Hong Kong, France, etc. America has given ventilator and oxygen cylinder to India. Thank you.
Yeah, the next speaker is Garima. Garima, please tell us something about COVID-19.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak on this topic. So, as we all know that COVID-19 was identified first in Wuhan, in China, in December 2019, and gradually it spread all over the world. So, when the cases were found in India, our PM, Mr. Narendra Modi, has declared a nationwide lockdown for 21 days in March 22nd. After that, the number of days of lockdowns has increased. After the end of that lockdown, the new lockdown was declared. So the impact of the COVID in the Indian economy, and also we can say that in the world economy, has led to the decrease in the GDP, loss of education of the students. Various various employees have lost their jobs. The jobs were from work from home, and due to which we have lost many people, many important people were died due to this COVID-19. And in 2021, when the second wave of this COVID-19 has came, it has led to the double impact on the human health, because what are the tests which were taken for the COVID-19 that has came across the CT scan, through which we can identify the infections in the lungs, and due to which we can identify the amount of infection in our lungs, and the treatment which is there for this COVID-19 is vaccination. So the vaccination has started, and it above the 45 years of age, many people have get themselves vaccinated, and from 1st May the vaccination for 18 plus people have now started. So it is very important for all of us to get vaccinated above
Okay,
18
Garima,
years
your
of
time
age.
is now over.
Thank you, sir.
Very good, wonderful. Next student is Akshar.
Okay, sir.
Akshar, speak about COVID-19.
Coronavirus is very dangerous virus. It will require all of security to limit the spread of COVID-19 and the congestion, the planetary impact it may have and on viral people and economies. We must rebuild trust and compromise with an victory. Okay, my over.
Okay, next Kajal.
Yes, sir. Good evening to everybody. Today's my topic coronavirus. novel coronavirus. This virus that cannot be seen with open eyes. This virus is commonly called COVID-19. It is a contagious disease. First, the virus infection began in December 29 in Wuhan, China. Coronavirus is very large epidemic, and this virus is from China. Many people of our country died to this, and this can also kill our life. This virus has stopped the work of many people, and at such a time we should stay at home and follow the all rules of government and stay at home as such as possible. Thank you, sir.
Okay, the next student is Deepika. Please, Deepika, speak about COVID-19. I think Deepika is not available right now. So we are taking Purvi. Purvi Sahu, please speak about COVID-19.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, to give me this opportunity. So, the coronavirus is very small and very harmful. The corona symptoms are cold, cough, fever, headache, body pain, loss of smell and taste. Uh, I tell some other things. You drink hot water, hot milk, turmeric milk, and you take steam. When you did not go outside our home, and so you're very emergency. So you take this type of masks. Yeah, this type of mask protect your face. You protect your face air virus, and you when you come outside our home, so you take first of all sanitize, and you take bath, and your clothes you wash it, and you wash it, and doctor said the paracetamol is a very important medicine. You take paracetamol, and you take daily vitamin capsules, and you take orange and salad fruits, and you don't eat
Okay, thank
sticky
you,
food.
Purvi Sahu. You
Thank
have
you.
spoken very well and you have given the good advice also. Thank you very much. The next speaker is Abhinav. Abhinav, please speak about COVID-19.
Okay, sir. So thank you for giving
Abhinav,
this
are you listening to
opportunity.
me?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Opportunity to speak on the COVID-19. The today's topic is COVID-19. COVID-19 is the virus came in India from Wuhan. The coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic in the defined global health crisis of our time and the great challenge. Coronavirus disease, COVID-19 is the infection disease, and the best way to prevent it and the slow down transmissions is to be well informed about the COVID-19 virus. The disease it caused and have its spread, and protect yourself and other from infections by washing our hand or using an alcohol-based rub, and do not touch
Okay,
your
Abhinav,
face.
Abhinav, thank you very much. And last but not least, we are taking Mr. K. Tiwari, who will speak about this topic and give some suggestion. Mr. K. Tiwari, please. I think Mr. K. Tiwari is available right now. I think he's not available right now. Mr. K. Tiwari, are you available online? Okay, guys. So thank you very much for attending this session of a direct method. you know well that direct method is the only method by which we can become superbly fluent in English. So all the students, thank you very much. All students are attending from all parts of the world. I welcome them, and those who want to attend this session, this class, please get me in touch with my mobile number 91796534 and 94. Goodbye to all.